Introducing the WizGear Magnetic Twist Lock Mount. This air vent mount keeps your phone conveniently near you in your vehicle while securing your phone safely. Inside the box, you will find one magnetic vent clip and 3 magnets. If your phone has a case, you can simply place one of the magnets between your cellular phone and its case. The strong magnet will keep your phone attached securely to the mount. You may also secure your phone using one of the 2 magnets with adhesive backs. The mount can be secured to any vent by tightening the twist lock mechanism. Simply insert the mount into a vent and twist the lock snugly into place. The magnetic clip holds your phone safely and securely. The magnet makes attaching and removing your phone easy and convenient.